Hi everyone! In this video, we will use the multiplication rule for conditional probabilities. The probability that a randomly selected adult engages in heavy drinking is 6.3%. The probability that a randomly selected adult has fatty liver disease and engages in heavy drinking is 5.7%. What is the probability that a randomly selected adult has fatty liver disease given that they engage in heavy drinking? Let's go ahead and break this down. The first sentence gives us the probability that the randomly selected adult engages in heavy drinking. So the probability, and let's do a capital D for drinking, is, we know, translates to an equal sign, 6.3%. Let's go ahead and change that to a decimal so that we can use it for our arithmetic. Moving the decimal place 2 place values to the left gives us 0.063. The second sentence says the probability that a randomly selected adult has fatty liver disease and engages in heavy drinking is 5.7%. So this is the probability of fatty liver disease. Let's use an F for this. And is a heavy drinker. Put a capital D. And we were given 5.7%. Again, changing this to a decimal by moving it 2 place values to the left gives us 0.057. Our question asks the probability that a randomly selected adult has fatty liver disease. So we're looking for the probability of fatty liver disease giving our line for given, engage in heavy drinking. Given heavy drinking. Now let's go ahead and write down our formula for the multiplication rule for conditional probabilities, which is the probability of A given B is the probability of A and B divided by the second one, probability of B. Knowing that, let's finish our formula for the fatty liver disease and heavy drinking. So the probability of fatty liver disease is the probability of fatty liver disease and engages in heavy drinking, so capital D, and this divides by the second one, the probability of engaging in heavy drinking. We were given these probabilities at the beginning. The probability of fatty liver disease and heavy drinking is 0.057 divided by the probability of engaging in heavy drinking is 0.063. Using my calculator, this gives us a decimal of 0.090476, and it keeps going. Let's change this to a percent since our original gave us the probabilities in percents. So let's go ahead and move this 2 place values to the right, making this 90. And our original question has it at 1 decimal place, so we will round to 1 decimal place. The 7 is larger than a 5, making the 4 a 5. So we get 90.5% is the probability that a randomly selected adult has fatty liver disease given that they engage in heavy drinking. And now we're all done.